Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. It comes in my favourite colour, the Ultimate Red. It has 16-inch alloy wheels. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's air conditioning, cruise control, and this car's done 18,000 miles. So let's have a look around. If this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.